Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.2.4 and its extension pack on Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website. It is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, either is fine. Click on download. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 7.2.4. Click on Linux distributions. See, you can install VirtualBox 7.2.4 on these Linux distributions. Okay, we can install on Debian 11, 12 or 13. So I am on 13, so click on 13. If you are on 12, then click on 12. See, download started. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads. Let's see, here we have the VirtualBox 7.2.4 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, type virtual, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, this is the expected error. Okay, now we have to install these dependencies, but if we try to install this one, it will suggest us to run the sudo apt fix broken install. Okay, so try to install this one, sudo apt install, paste it. Also this dependency, also install this dependency. See, this is the expected error. If we run this one, it will install the dependencies. So copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter. See, it is installing those failed dependencies. Okay, type and hit enter. Now install VirtualBox again. Now control it. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, in the background we got the VirtualBox. Let me increase the screen. Now verify the version. Help about VirtualBox. See, we have installed VirtualBox 7.2.4. Close it. Okay, close this one. Now we will install VirtualBox extension pack. Again, go to VirtualBox main page. Then click on download. See, here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on accept and download. See, download started. Then click on this extension pack. Click on install. See, I disagree or agree is grayed out. Okay. Why? Because we have to read this entire license agreement. Then click on I agree. Now we have to authenticate, so provide the administrator password. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, now if you want to verify, go to extensions. See, here we have installed VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, now go to here. If you want to create new virtual machine, click on new, or go to machine and select new, or if you want to open the existing one, click on open, or go to machine and select open. Both are same. Okay, we have successfully installed. Go to terminal. Ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed VirtualBox. So remove them. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VirtualBox and its extension pack on Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.